Questions for Guru Nandan. Firstly, obviously, you're still very young in your career, and Touchwood, I think as they have said that you've given plenty of things, and this name has stuck with you, Raju. But do you plan to have this name for every film of yours in future?
So no, not exactly. Actually, but this year I have three movies. I'm planning to do a Hindi version also. So not Raju is no more Raju. This is maybe Raju James Bond is the last, as a Raju is the last time. Yeah.
Okay, and I was just reading about you. And there was this story that I think you, as a child, you ran away to Bombay to become an actor.
Yeah, actually.
So, if you were in class 8, you might have been just like, what, 12 or 13 years old.
This not Mumbai, it's Bangalore.
Okay.
So my hometown is from Bangalore, so 250 kilometers, Chikmagalur. So 9th standard I came to Bangalore, so becoming an actor.
Can you tell about that time if you can recall, like?
No, it's a whole story. Because I'm studying, that is my acting is my childhood dream. When 9th standard I came, randomly I came to Bangalore. Then I got back to Chikmagalur. Again, after some time, I came to Bangalore, acted in few serials, acted in small roles, movies also. Then I got first rank Raju's first movie that become hit. Then you know the story.
But as a child, when you ran away from home,
Yeah.
to Bangalore, and can you recall something about that experience? Who did you meet? And because it's quite a dangerous thing for a child to run away from home.
Yeah, that is very difficult actually. That time, because I wanted to become an actor. That time only because I watching all Kannada movies. I wanted to become an actor. Randomly, I came to Bangalore. Then I didn't get any chance. That time, Then my parents are searching actually. Then I gone back to Chikmagalur. I said I continue my studies. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
This is called destiny, guys. This is what made him a star, a shining star, right?
Thank you.
Hi, you're on this side. Hi, this is Astha from Awesome TV. First of all, congratulations. I am really liking everything what's shown on the screen. My question goes out to Mridula. What was it like working with Raju James Bond, and how excited or nervous are you even for the Hindi version?
Thank you for the question. It was really exciting to work with Raju and then our director Deepak sir. The way he, he never thought, made me feel that I am new. So that's the way I like about the whole team. Just not about the newness. It's like जिस तरह उन्होंने मुझे प्यार दिया और मुझे अपना समझ के जो सिखाया, जो भी सिखाया, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स हिंदी में जो जब डब कर रहे थे तब भी बहुत खुशी होती है मुझे कि मेरा मूवी हिंदी में भी डब हो रहा है करके और यस थैंक यू
My follow-up question is to Guru Nandan sir. You tell me about your excitement. That how is it?
I'm sorry, very excited. I'm so happy also because my Raju James Bond Hindi version is released in Mumbai. So I'm very excited. Thank you.
Hi Govindan sir, this is Surya from Bollywood Crazies. You are coming from Kannada film industry and I'm happy that you are releasing in a Hindi version also. It's a big day today, Nama Yash birthday is there. Of course everyone is inspired by him and Kannada industry has come a long way. So is there some pressure on you also to make a pan-India hit or give a pan-India hit after KGF and the big films, Kandala and now Raju James Bond? What do you think?
Actually, we try to give a good product. Okay, hit and flop, everything is in your hand. Okay, so movie is very good. You should watch. You should make a hit.
One more thing is that you have played the Raju character earlier also in your films. So is this film has already released in Kannada and you are releasing right now, or it is simultaneously releasing?
Simultaneously releasing February 14th.
Okay.
Okay, like Kannada and Hindi.
Okay. I have one question for director Deepak sir.
Deepak.
Yeah. दीपक सर, आपने कहा कि आप इसके पहले भी मुंबई आ चुके हैं, कुछ साल आपने काम किया स्टिंग, उसके बाद वापस आप होम टाउन गए, तो वो जाने का सफर में आपने चुना वापस से, फिर वहाँ से एक नया स्टार्ट किया, ये क्यों आखिर? ये थोड़ा सा इस बारे में अगर बता सके आप।
नो, आज का दीपक बता तो नहीं जाता। उस समय लाइक I was with my I was with my director. That time I was an assistant director. So we were supposed to do one film in Bollywood, like in association with Sunil Shetty's Popcorn Motion Pictures, as I said. So I was here for 4 months for that project. Then we did some pre-production and all. Then unfortunately that project didn't take off. So 4 months I was at Popcorn Motion Pictures and we were staying in Goregaon. So the office was in Char Bungalow. So that time, that's the first exposure for me to the Hindi industry. But that time I was so into my director, and as he went, so even I went with him back to the Bangalore and we started doing Kannada films and all. As I told, in today's Deepak I wouldn't have gone back to the Bangalore.
So whether it's Shadu Gokul and Achyut Kumar sir, they are also big celebrities. We want them to also come to Mumbai. Are you planning to make them come to Mumbai with the trailer launch or some other?
Yeah, definitely we do have plans. So we have to see their schedules, because you know that they are so much busy artists in like multi-language, they will be doing the films. So it's so hard to get them on board all together. So definitely if that plan is there, if it works out, so it will be great.
या मृदुला जी, आपसे सवाल है, कैसा लगा आपको काम करके हमारे गुरुंदर सर के साथ, और क्या लगता है हिंदी में फिल्म आने से फिल्म को और एक अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलेगा और ये फिल्म ज़्यादा बढ़िया तरह से पैन इंडिया चलेगी? क्या कहना है आपका?
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई गुरुजी के साथ काम करके और ऑफ कोर्स जब हिंदी में रिलीज हो रहा है तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी ज़्यादा है और बहुत एक्साइटेड भी हूँ मैं क्योंकि हम लोग हिंदी में डब किया है करके, और मेरा पहला सॉन्ग जो हिंदी में आया है वो भी देख के बहुत खुशी होती है।
I have one question for the director and even others can join in. और बाद में अक्षता से मेरा एक सवाल है। Obviously नाम है राजू जेम्स बॉन्ड. So starting with the director, I'm sure you might be a fan of James Bond as well, but who according to you has played the best Bond character ever?
So there is no one else than Dr. Rajkumar. So back in Karnataka, he was the one who played the James Bond for the first time. So even I am not inspired from any that Hollywood like Pierce Brosnan or the recent Bond actor. So we are so inspired from our own James Bond, like Dr. Rajkumar.
So then, like, why name your film have James Bond in your title then?
Now that you have to watch the film, why it is James Bond. Now if I tell now, that curiosity will be revealed.
So will the young cast, would they like to talk about their favorite James Bond?
There is definitely no other person than our great Annaur. We all love Gopali, and with all respect we call him Annaur. Annaur means Bade Bhai. So he is Dr. Rajkumar sir. So he is the best, and he will be the one and only James Bond for all of us. And that would be probably, I think, it's all. I think all answers are right. Yeah, it's all the same. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. And Akshata, my question for you is, आपके लिए एक आइटम सॉन्ग की परिभाषा क्या है? क्या मूल्य होता है उसका एक फिल्म में?
Thank you so much for the question. I really like this because item song for me, dancing is for me worship. And when I heard about this item song, when I got this song, I was like, okay, चलो जाते देखते क्या करना है. When I heard this song and when I saw the moment and the hook step, actually you should shift the hook step. It is so amazing when I got the whole song, all the 2 days when we really showed the song for night shooting. While they're going for the 3rd day, I literally had tears in my eye. I was like, I love the song. Please let me know whenever it will be released. So I was so happy to work with Kumar sir, Kiran sir, Deepak sir, and the choreographer. They have actually directed such a well and choreographed such a well the song, and I love it. Thank you so much.
आपको नहीं लगता कि अब शायद समय आ गया है कि हमें, क्योंकि ये सुनने में बड़ा, like personally if you ask me, I don't like the word item, or it should be just song या उस हिसाब से या
No, I don't think so. ये सबकी देखने का अलग-अलग नजरिया होता है. Okay, so performer and an actress is different. The performer, she is also an actress. It's just that she is doing an item song. So item song is not a bad thing. कि मतलब पूरे मूवी में एक सॉन्ग ही वो होता है जो पूरी मूवी की जान बढ़ा देता है. आपने सबसे हमारे फेमस इंडिया में सबसे हिट कौन है? नूरा फतेही जी. She is so amazing. So उनके लिए she have done so many item song. तो उनके लिए ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कोई कि ये आइटम सॉन्ग क्यों कर रहे हैं. So for me, I have done many item song in Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Bollywood. But in the Kannada, I get this my 3rd song, and I am always looking forward for the item song. मुझे especially lead से ज़्यादा मुझे ना song करने में अच्छा लगता है. It's like kick मिलती है.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
सर सबसे पहले हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सबको, पूरी टीम को. नाम ही इतने प्यारा है, जेम्स बॉन्ड. नाम से लग रहा है कि मार धार वाला पिक्चर है. पिक्चर की बेसिकली जो थी मैसेज है, क्या मैसेज आप पिक्चर देना चाहते हैं? हमारे बॉलीवुड में भी आप लोग फर्स्ट डे में क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप लोग?
क्वेश्चन एनीवन कैन आंसर. फाइन. आप थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द क्वेश्चन. आप सिनेमा के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, मैसेज के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. ये बेसिकली एक मूवी है, कॉमेडी जॉनर है, एंड सिनेमा का मैसेज है, ये सोशल मैसेज है. एवरीबडी, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारा सिनेमा में एक या कुछ ना कुछ सोशल मैसेज होगा करके. हमारा भी एक एजुकेटेड गरीब लोग का और एजुकेटेड ग्रेजुएट बेसिकली उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है और फाइनेंशियल बैंकिंग उसके बारे में तो क्या है करके एक अच्छा मैसेज है. और इसके साथ हमें क्या है कि सिनेमा का पूरा कॉमेडी चैनल है और एक्शन भी है और रोमांस भी है और सोशल मैसेज.
रिलीज डेट आपने 14 फरवरी क्यों चुना आप लोगों ने?
14 फरवरी. आप 14 फरवरी को क्या बोलते हैं?
सर सबको पता है, बच्चे को पता है.
अच्छा दिन है ना, इसलिए बस प्यार का दिन है, सबको प्यार बताएंगे बस.
थैंक यू सो मच. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर इट. थैंक यू
वेरी मच. थैंक यू.
Hi everyone. So basically, my name is Artish and I'm from Bollywood Helpline.
I'm sorry sir.
Artish, my name is
Artish. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm from Bollywood Helpline. So basically, my question is for Deepak sir. You have been already in Bollywood, right? You have worked in Bollywood. So is there any product of Bollywood you like to remake for Kannada industry? Like any masterpiece or movie you want to remake for the Kannada people?
सडनली दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन एक फिल्म बहुत मुझको रीमेक करने का मन बहुत था. ए जेंटलमैन, सिद्धार्थ का. सो रियली आई लव दैट फिल्म. लाइक व्हेन आई वॉच्ड इट, आई एक्चुअली इन फैक्ट आई rewrote that in Kannada, the entire film for one actor. So I don't want to reveal that to you. उस समय में वो था, I was so serious about that film to remake in Kannada. But after that, like it didn't happen and it went away.
There is another question. It is generalized. Anyone can answer that. Like we have seen Telugu industry doing very good Like we have seen lots of movie doing wonders. हिंदी में डेब्यू होने के बाद भी है, फिर ओवरऑल बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. So what the Kannada industry is doing, like we saw KGF, we saw Kandara. Next what? What are motives, like क्या vision है मेनली for industry का? Why not?
देखिए भाई, हम किसी दूसरे सिनेमा को देख के ऐसा नहीं है. हम क्या है कि हमारा सिनेमा for every person, for every producer, for every director, actor, their movie is big, great for them. For us, our movie is big, very big. So we want the movie to reach to that height. So हम सबका ड्रीम है वो, बस.
Thank you so much.
You welcome, sir.
Thank you.
What are your questions?
No.
अभी आप लोगों ने जस्ट शिवन्ना सर का नाम लिया.
Sorry, sir. उसका सर father का.
Yeah, I got it. So is there any plan to work with Shivanna sir?
Director or producers?
Director support.
Yeah, of course. See, it's like household name. Like if you ask any director in Kannada, nowadays if you ask any Tamil directors also, they say Shivanna's name. So even of course in South, anybody, you pick any director, he wants to work with him. Same as me.
With those legends, because Raju is very lucky name actually. Raju only Raja, because first movie only first rank Raju in that movie has become so hit. After that, everyone calling in Karnataka Raju only. So many people doesn't know my name only, Guru Nandan. Everyone calls Raju only. Everyone are recognizing only Raju only. So Raju is very lucky name for me. Thank you. With blessings. Thank you.
Before winding up, like we वो स्टेज में हम लोग दिख रहे हैं, so it is evident that we are part of this thing, but behind the camera, like we have Mr. Naidu sir in our
I just request the whole team
yeah,
to come over
and
here for
Mr.
the group
Darshan,
photo,
because
please.
they both are the very
Okay.
they both are very backbone, very strong backbone of our like our film to happen, and Changappa is to come. So even these three people's effort is among us, and like because of them we are able to pull off like anything we plan accordingly. And from Mumbai we have Charan sir. Please come sir. And Rajiv. Say they both are our Mumbai counterpart. So I use this stage to thank them. Thank you.
Come closer. Center, please.
So we have our song lyric writer. Please come on stage. He has written all the 4 songs for us.
Everyone center, no.
Thank you.
Wait, sir. एक मिनट रुको डोंट से थैंक्स ना रुको
थैंक यू अरे साथ में बस तुम तो होंगे तुम्हारा फटेगा तुम्हारा और की का फोन या चैंस वन क्या बात है या शंकर पृथ्वी के बीच
राजू
में।
भाई एक जेम्स
Can we
बॉन्ड
know one dialogue from the film?
एनी डायलॉग जेम्स बॉन्ड का
हाँ हाँ
लाउडली
एक माइक दे रहे हाँ
My name is Bond, Raju James Bond.
एंड यू मैम रुद्रा जी
अरे भाई जैन पर मारना बस करना भाई
ठीक है थैंक यू सर थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू
हाँ ये बस
शंकर भाई शंकर भाई
आना नहीं दूसरा
साइलेंस साइलेंस या
one line from the same song in Kannada version.
यस यस मैम या कॉर्पोरेट आ गया ये क्या था सॉन्ग था ये सॉन्ग था सॉन्ग
I don't know exactly the lyrics because it's in Kannada, so I will try to sing one line. Selfie beko andare
क्या था ये क्या है
sunandan nanda. Sorry if I did mistake, but I really love the song. Thank you.
सुपर सुपर थैंक यू
यस 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 समझ गया ये
थैंक यू
शंकर समझ आया शंकर को
अनिल सर जूम मार के
थैंक यू
The producers and directors.
साइलेंस आप कोर्ट में रोड में
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
Can I just request to please
उड़ जाओ मैं क्या?
नहीं नहीं
ऊर्जा मेरे
Spare another 5 minutes with us. We are going to play our story. Or 4 minutes story we are playing now. So please have a look at it.
या कैमरा ऑफ
Please switch off the cameras.
आप